Alright YouTube, this is Big B. Just out going for a cruise, thought I'd stop and do a sound video real quick with the new exhaust. Also just added a power commander on there, so I mean, performance wise it's fully ramped, and I've been out racing it a little bit, and the power difference with that exhaust and that power commander is just unreal. Got the new wheels on it, some of the other mods, and it's running good. So that's the exhaust. It's the Delcovic DF70 full programmable power commander. We'll go ahead and start it up. There it is, full race ready. Bike is done. So I just thought I'd throw a sound check on there, and that new that latest mod with the power commander, and share with everyone. So let me know what you think.